There's money on the floor.
Money on the floor. 3, 1, 2, 3.
Money on the floor. There's money on the floor. There's money on the floor. There's money on the floor. Heard you get money, how I feel.
Good afternoon, everybody, and greetings from Jerry World, AT&T Stadium.
Hey, I'm gonna jump this thing off the table, man. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, bro! Let's go, bro! Let's go!
And today, the Bengals will try to win a game here for the first time in their history as they meet the Cowboys in Week 2 of the season.
We in Dallas with it tonight. It's only right to put a show in Jerry World.
Come on, bro, what they talking about? My Heard you get money, how I feel. Heard you get money, how I feel. There's money on the floor.
Money on the floor. 3, 1, 2, 3.
Money on the floor. There's money on the floor. There's money on the floor. There's money on the floor.
Week 2 of the NFL season, the defending NFC East champion Dallas Cowboys, the defending AFC champion Bengals.
Hey! Let's go! Let's go!
And it is time for the pigskin to fly.
One heartbeat. One heartbeat. One heartbeat. One heartbeat. Come on.
We got two teams hungry for a win with high hopes coming into the season.
Snap is good. Ball's placed down. McPherson's kick is up.
Yes.
And it is good. The Bengals kick a field goal on their first drive today.
As Rush looks to the end zone, tosses it, and it's caught by Noah Brown for the touchdown.
We get the ball back after the half, y'all. Head up. Head up, head up, head up. We get the ball back.
We're getting set for the start of the third quarter.
Right here, G. Right here, G.
The game. Rush throws over the middle. It's a strike. The ball is fumbled and scooped up by the Bengals.
Nice.
Cincinnati has the game's first takeaway. It's recovered by DJ Reader.
Let's go, O! Let's go, O! Let's go!
Yeah, great job. Way to get the ball, man.
Way to be on field. That's what it takes. That's what it takes.
Well, this drive's gone over 8 minutes now. 8.5 minutes. Second option, sliding, signals, throws, Higgins, touchdown, Cincinnati.
Go for 2, baby.
The Bengals trying for a game-tying 2-point conversion for the second week in a row. Joe has the ball from the 10, looking, throwing, caught by Tyler Boyd to tie the game with 3 minutes and 45 seconds left in regulation. And the Cowboys go 33 yards in the final minute and beat the Bengals 20-17.
My dog. Keep going, bro. I love how you step into your own.
We're back to work. We got 2 games in 10 days. We got such great leadership, such great talent in soccer, and that I know we're going to get it done. We got New York coming up. It's another big challenge. We got a good unit, so we're going to have to bring our best.